Meaning of electoral.
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 Electoral. The word electoral pertains to the process of electing individuals to political office or positions. It involves various activities such as voter registration, candidate nominations, political campaigning, ballot casting, and vote counting. The result of electoral activities reflects the choices and preferences of the electorate and determines the composition of political leadership at different levels of government. It can also influence public policy and governance outcomes, as elected officials are expected to represent the interests and needs of their constituents and uphold democratic principles of accountability, transparency, and responsiveness.